Here we will write a Python program to accept list elements and print even number from that list using list comprehension. So in comment line we will write, first we will define empty list, then we will accept total number of elements that we are going to accept from user. So n equal to int input, enter total elements to accept. Then we will define integer variable I, which is initialized with 0, and we will use while loop to accept the list element. So while I less than n. Then in E we will accept the list element. So E equal to int input, enter element, and we will append this element to the list. So L dot append E, and we will increment I. Then first we will print list. So original list, and we'll print L. Then we'll print even numbers from the list using list comprehension. So we'll print the message even numbers from list. So we'll give even list equal to, we'll use curly bracket. So we'll use x for x in L, that is list, if x mod 2 equal to 0, and we'll print even list. Then we'll execute this. I'll give total element as 5 and I will enter the elements. First it will print original list as 3, 4, 5, 6, 8 and even numbers from list as 8, 4, 6. That is, using list comprehension we have printed even numbers from the given list.